Question 16. Find the domain of y is equal to log with base 13 of 3 minus 8x. So we know that when we're talking about log functions, that inside the parentheses, it cannot be 0 and it cannot be a negative number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 3 minus 8x and I'm going to set it greater than 0 and then solve for x, and that will give me my domain. Okay, so I'm going to take this 3 minus 8x. I'm going to set it greater than 0. So that's saying that it cannot be 0 and it has to be a positive number, so it can't be a negative number. And then I'm going to solve for x, so I'm going to move the 3 over. So negative 8x greater than negative 3. Divide by the negative 8. And so we've got x is less than. Now, when I divide by a negative number or multiply by a negative number, that sign is going to flip. I have a negative on top and on bottom, so they're going to cancel out. So I'm left with 3 over 8. Okay, now if we graph this on a number line, we'll say that this is 0 and this is 3 over 8. Notice that this is pointing in the direction that we need to go. Okay, so since I don't have an equal sign underneath that, this is going to be an open circle and then go in this direction towards negative infinity. Okay, so our domain is going to be negative infinity, and we need parentheses because we're talking about infinity there, all the way up to 3 over 8, and because we don't have that equal sign underneath, this is also going to be parentheses. So that is your final answer.